Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how you can connect or hotspot any device on VPN-free internet. Let's head over to Play Store and download EV Proxy application. Now let's connect our device, in this case the PC, through USB tethering or hotspot, and the process is the same. Now let's open the application. Let's head over to the computer and configure the IP address. Let's now test our internet connection. Now follow these easy steps if you want to connect your mobile device using Wi-Fi. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.